Hi, my name is Dave Walter. I'm founder of the group Filipino Food and Recipes AZ, and I'm also author of the cookbook 101 Authentic Filipino Recipes, which is going to be released here in the next few months. I have been married to my lovely wife Lucy, a Filipino from Cebu, Philippines, for over 20 years, and I've been cooking authentic Filipino recipes for almost 25 years. I'm excited to say that we've had over 500 new members join us this weekend, and I wanted to take a moment to welcome you all to the group and to let you know that I'm really glad that you're here. The rules of the group are very simple. First of all, be nice to everybody. Treat everybody the same, the way that you would like to be treated. No sales videos without prior authorization. No spamming videos or posts. Definitely no profanity. And when you're posting your pictures of yummy Filipino foods, remember to please include your recipe so that others can make your yummy dish. I didn't want to make a long video here, but I did want to welcome you and let you know that I am glad that you are here. So I do welcome you. If you're watching this video on YouTube, know that the Filipino Food and Recipes AZ group that I'm speaking of is on Facebook, and I will put a link in the description for this video if you decide to join us as well. Again, welcome to the group and enjoy. Masarap.